Welcome to this third video of the series. This time we're going to make a bottle of water. For this new model, we're going to use a reference inside Blender, so we have a closer approximation of the object that we wanna do. So let's get started. Press 1 on your number pad to go to Front View, Shift A, Image Reference, and we're going to add a reference image. I'm going to put this reference image on the description so you can download this one. Now go to the Image Properties, select Alpha, Opacity 2.6, Depth and Side to Front. Now I'm going to change the name and turn it off. Go back to Perspective, Shift A, Mesh, Plane. Press Tab to go to Edit Mode, right-click, Subdivide. Control-click here to unselect that one. Now press Shift-Alt-S and create this circle-like shape. 1 on your number pad to go to Front View. Turn on the bottle image, press A to select everything, and now G, C, and move this down all the way. Press S and reduce until you have the same size of the image right there. Press E and extrude a little bit, 1, E again, to extrude one more time. Press 3 to go to Faces, hold down Alt and click right here. Now press F3, extrude and move on individual normals. And extrude a little bit. Like that. Press Shift-C 1 and select these edges. We are now in wireframe mode. Press G and C and move it all the way until you get to this area. We're going to make some cuts by pressing Ctrl R. The first one will be right there. The next one will be on this dark area, Ctrl R. Again, Ctrl R, put in this light area, Ctrl R, dark area, and so on. Ctrl R and Ctrl R. Hold down Alt and select the edges that are on the dark area, like this one, and that one. Press S, Shift-C, and move it a little bit inside. Not that much. Select this top area. Press E to extrude. Ctrl R to make a cut right there. S, Shift-C, reduce a little bit. Select the top area again. E to extrude. Extrude again, all the way right there. Press S, Shift-C and reduce that one. E to extrude. S, Shift-C, make it a little bigger. And create a cut right there by pressing Ctrl R. S, Shift-C and reduce. We basically have the main body. Tap to go to Object Mode. Right-click Shade Smooth. Press Ctrl 2 to add the modifier and turn on Cage. Go back to Edit Mode by pressing Tab, and let's add some cuts with Ctrl R, like in here, Ctrl R, here, all the way there, another one. Let's go down here, create tree, like that. Now hold down Alt and click on this one. Now move it a little bit down. Now create a cut there. Like that. Right. Press A to select everything. Press S, Shift C, and make it a little bigger. Not that much. Just to have the same size. Select this area and reduce it a little bit. S, Shift C. Like that. Alright, we now have the first area. Shift C to go to solid mode. Select this vertex. Shift S cursor to select. Press Shift A, plane. Shift H to hide everything and turn off the subdivision modifier. Right click, subdivide, Control click here, press Shift Alt S, make this circle shape. One in your number pad, turn on the bottle image, press A to select everything, and S to reduce all the way around there. Press A to select everything, press E to extrude 1, E again, S Shift Z, reduce that, E to extrude, extrude one more time, S Shift Z, and extrude the last one there. Turn on the subdivision modifier and create some cuts by pressing Ctrl R. Like there, there, one more there, one here, that one there, until we have the shape that we're looking for. We're almost done. Tap to go to Object Mode, right click, Shade Smooth. Turn off the bottle image, select this vertex, Shift S, cursor to selected, Shift A, and add a plane again. Shift H to hide everything, turn off the subdivision modifier, right click, subdivide, Control click there, Shift Alt S to create a circle, turn on the bottle image, 1 in your number pad, A to select everything and reduce. This is now a matter of pressing E to extrude and get this shape. Press A to select everything, E, create 1, E again, make it a little bit bigger, reduce it, move it down. E to extrude. E again. Inset all the way to the top. Reduce that one. That's basically it. Tap to go to object mode, right click, shade smooth. Turn on the subdivision and then create some cuts using the Ctrl R tool. Ctrl R, Ctrl R, there. We just need to make the cuts. Press Alt H and that's basically it. You have everything done. We have your bottle right here. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe. And for the next video we are going to do something like this.